Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an unpackaging and repair. Everybody's doing the unbox and build, so we'll do something different. As you may know, I kind of messed up my Sukhoi, so I got my package today. Coffee filter. So what we have in here is plug adapters for the 6-cell for the Avante. Goes from the 90 to the EC5. But what we really need is some tiny hinges. So we'll put that on the aileron that got ripped off. And I took a screenshot of what the aileron and the wing looked like. So I shaved that, cleaned it up. Here's what it looks like now. Just took a hobby knife to it. Brand new blade, so it could just cut right into it nice and smooth. But these are smaller than what I expected. I thought they'd be like the other ones. But they'll definitely work. I like them.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'll have to use a lot. Like little hinge dominoes. I like these a lot. There's another set that I have. Where did I see them? These right here. Let me take one out of the bag for you. But I got these from Motion RC. They're actually a Freewing brand. ABS hinges Type C. I mean, I kind of use them on the surface instead of digging into the styrofoam. I did actually, because you would have to dig, you know, that little block, that much styrofoam out or close to it, and then just jam it in there. So I actually like these other ones a lot better. They're thin. All you need to use is the hobby knife, X-Acto knife. So what I'll do is I'll just hold this aileron up here, and then I'll just make some marks and figure out how many I want to put in there. I'll do that, and then we'll come back. I don't want you guys to be too bored. So this is what the wing and the aileron looked like before I took the X-Acto knife to it. And here's the aileron trimmed up. Just kind of clean that broken foam hinge off of there. So it's just all ready to go with the new hinges. And here I am laying out 4 hinges. I figured that would be enough for the aileron. Making little slits inside the wing, kind of in the center where I'd shaved that off, that broken styrofoam. And now I matched up the aileron with that, with the hinges. Put glue on them, a little bit of glue on the tips, stuff them in there, and then you just kind of slide them in there one by one, you know, all together. Make sure it's all lined up. I think I pre-fit everything first. And then I'm wiping up the glue. Make sure it moves back and forth. And here we have the broken landing gear. I'll just try to fit that in there dry, see how it goes back in there. And then we'll take it back apart, add some more glue. Try to add a lot of glue. And there it is, kind of put together. Pre-fit it before I glued it. So I'm just using that foam craft glue again. Seems to harden up pretty good. I also have the Gorilla Glue where you moisten up the area and it swells up. I think it said like 3 or 5 times the size. But that actually hardens up pretty good. I've got that on the biplane, the Dynam biplane. And it seems to hold up pretty well. So here I am just squirting some glue in there. I got the last of that bottle. It's kind of gummy. I don't know if it's just old or if it's just the bottom of the bottle, but I do have a new one there. Wanted to speed it up because I think it would be kind of boring. Regular speed. So hopefully this will dry and we can fly it tomorrow, which would be Wednesday. We should see if it's calm enough tomorrow morning. Usually gets windier around 10 o'clock a.m. All right, that kind of finishes it up. Got the repair and let the glue dry, and we'll get the next flight on film, and we'll see you then.